Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making boho beads inspired by my friend Secret Soto. She takes making beads to the next level. We're going to use fabric and paper and wire and all kinds of things, whatever you have laying around. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Also, I'm going to leave a link to Secret Soto's YouTube channel in the description of this video, so make sure to subscribe to her and check out what she does. Are you ready? Let's make some boho beads. The fun thing about these beads is that you can use whatever you want. Fabric, paper, buttons, beads, wire, you name it. Make sure to check out Secret Soto's page too. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Bling and I will see you next week. Bye.